great definition of money, right? Money is something that is transactionable. Same thing with money. You do something, it's gonna do something back.
So today's our third annual Making Sense Conference to really talk about our financial health. So we have a couple of special guests. One who's standing here next to me, this is Mr. Dondre Brown. Clap it up for him. You got this.
Ballin' on the budget.
I just want to feel like comfortable with communicating with somebody where I know, like, I feel like I can relate to or has been in my same space.
The story of his daughter is so cool. It's just like it's affirmation, right? Because when he talks about he's talking about doing something and he's doing it, right? Because here he's talking about generational and making changes in generations, and he's teaching this to his kids, and they're living it out legit. Like you don't make up. You just she didn't write that book right now. Right. The book was written before he came here today because this is how she wants her ballerina bar, and this is how she's gonna get it. So the thing is like it's this living what he's teaching.
Everybody go to that gym membership, and they get the jogging, right? They get the running, and then they look up like, dang, I didn't really do what I was supposed to do. Why is that? Because they're doing it on their own. They signed up for that gym membership, but they didn't sign up for a coach. They didn't sign up for a trainer. They didn't sign up for that motivation. Someone that's gonna say, hey, wake up. This is your why. You wanted to lose this weight. This is your goal. Let's get it, right? So accountability is important. Utilizing your support systems. What I want y'all to do is go to my website. Again, opportunity to talk to me, 30 minutes for free. You'll be surprised by how many people don't take advantage of free, but I'm here for y'all, all right?
Thank you.